What up, YouTube and all my Ryker riders out there? I'm gonna do a quick video on what NYPD is doing to crack down on motorcycles. Now, if you guys don't know already, and I know it's happening in a lot of states, that there's been an influx of illegal dirt bikes, four wheelers, and now a lot of unregistered motorcycles, stolen motorcycles. So there's really, most states have a no chase policy. So what's happening is a lot of these illegal bikes, they're just escaping and running for the police. So the police in New York City has came up with a new style to combat um, illegal bikes. So I got together some footage that I'm gonna put together to show you what they're doing, and I just want to reiterate how important it is to make sure everything that you have and do on your bike is legal. Okay, so this guy right here looks like he'd been stopped. So if you could see, the NYPD Highway Patrol is setting it up in an area where they can't go around the bikes. So they're holding up the traffic, and while they're trying to squeeze through the traffic, they're coming out like this, pulling out. Here comes another one. They already have tow trucks on hand, everything they need. They're holding up all the traffic. You could try to squeeze through. It's on you. Looks like this guy's on a scooter, so he's not risking it. So he's probably like, well, let me see what the holdup is. So he stayed there, but now they're going to approach. So this is their new approach. So they're creating like bottlenecks. So it's going to be random checkpoints. They're going to shut your bike off. I don't know if they're taking the keys and they're making you push them. Yeah, it looks like they're making you push them. So this is the new thing. So once they get the bike, and I'm assuming they get the key, because they're not going to let you push off the bike with a key. There's the tow truck right there. And there's the cop standing out there. So they're getting ready for another one. So I guess maybe they have a spotter a little further down. So they know exactly when it's time to pull out and stop the traffic. As you can see, they have 1, 2 right there getting ready to go on the tow truck. 3. I'm assuming that they're giving people a chance to get their paperwork out just in case. So what the NYPD is doing is, you don't have all the paperwork to your motorcycle, they're taking your bike. Especially, well, of course, the obvious reasons: unregistered, uninspected, uninsured, things like that, stolen bikes, not having all your equipment. Here's the young man here. He's getting arrested, obviously. Don't know the reason why. I don't care to know the reason why. But obviously he fell under the guise of, not only are we taking your bike, but we're going to take you too. So this is the future of it. So they're figuring out ways to combat all the motorcycle thefts and all the reckless riding. People are getting hurt out here in the streets. It's really affecting all the people who want to ride safe, consciously, and the right way. So the only way, unfortunately, is they got to put out a blanket and get as many guys as they can that are riding illegally, which is great in a way because, you know, if that's your bike, you definitely want to know you're going to want it back, right? So that's pretty much it. That's all I have for you guys right now. So, you know, just make sure you follow the laws of your state. And listen, I want everybody to ride safe, get home safe, and always have fun. But at the same time, you want to leave with your bike and bring it home the same way you took it out. Okay? So everybody out there, please ride safe.